Windy. Wind is a force of nature that causes air to move and creates different weather conditions. It is an essential part of our environment and plays a significant role in maintaining life on Earth. Wind can be described as a turbulent or violent gust of air, often accompanied by noise and movement. It can have various sources, such as atmospheric conditions, ocean currents, or geothermal energy. There are several types of wind, including calm, light, moderate, strong, and extreme. Calm winds are usually light and gentle, while strong winds can cause blown leaves, trees, and objects. Extreme winds, such as hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes, can cause severe damage and even human casualties. Wind has several impacts on our lives, including the transportation of air, temperature regulation, and agriculture. It helps to maintain Earth's climate by transporting heat from regions with high temperatures to those with lower temperatures. Additionally, wind helps to regulate our body's temperature by causing air currents, which bring warm or cool air to our skin. In agriculture, wind is used to power wind turbines, which generate electricity. It is also used to transport goods, such as grains and animals, by using wind-powered ships and trucks. Moreover, wind is essential for some marine life, as it helps them to propel themselves through the water.